Hello everyone. Today we are going to see how to implement start functions such as push, pop, and display using linked list. So we can in data structure algorithm we can see the program. Our aim is to implement start with push, pop, and display functions using linked list. So we can see the algorithm first. First, we are creating a star class and node class. We want to create two class here because we are implementing start functions in a linked list. So we are creating two classes, that is start class and node class. So we can see first we are creating class node, then defining using the constructor. It is init function. I am giving sd, s for start data, and s for start next is equal to none. We should give because we don't know any elements, so I'm giving none. So next I'm creating class stack. In the stack I'm mentioning self top, that is top is equal to none. We don't know the elements, so it's none. Then here comes the main functions, that is three functions we want to implement: push, pop, display. So first we can see about push. We all know what is push. Push is inserting an element into a stack. So we are going to use that function in this linked list. So we can see I'm defining push and I'm giving that, assigning the variable sp. So I'm assigning n to node of d while n next to s top. Why I'm giving next? Because we are inserting an element in that stack. So each element is going inside a stack. That is next elements are going inside a stack. So n next is equal to stack of top. That is s top. Finally, s top is equal to s top is n. Okay, this is the push function, and I gave node data and next everything in this push function. Then next I'm defining display. What are the elements I pushed? That is that I mean I inserted in the stack. I'm displaying if the top is none, that is if top has no values, then the stack is empty. Otherwise, if t is equal to s dot top, that is there are values in the stack while t is equal not none. That is while stack is not empty, the stack will be the data will be printed. This symbol will be printed. For example, 5 and again 2 hyphen that arrow mark and 10. So this arrow mark will be printed until your elements gets filled. So this is the display function. We come to pop function. Same thing. If the stack is empty, we cannot delete any element. We all know that pop means deletion of element from a stack. If the stack is empty, we cannot do deletion. So if top is equal to none, that is null, it prints that the stack is empty. Otherwise, it deletes the element. If there are elements in the stack, that means list, then it deletes the t. T here is del t. T here is elements. So we have defined, first we have created a class node, then I created a class stack. Inside the class stack, I am defining push operation, display operation, and pop operation. After performing these three operations, I am going to create a menu driven program for getting user choice, whether user want to do push function, whether the user want to do pop function, whether the user want to do display function according to user choice. So we all know while loop is used to execute a block of statements. So I'm using a while loop and I'm printing those functions. First one push, pop, display, and stop for ending the execution of output. So next I'm getting the choice from the user. If choice is equal to 1, we need to enter the data to be pushed inside the stack of the linked list. If choice is equal to 2, then we it pops one element, that is deletes one element from the stack of linked list. Choice is equal to 3, it displays the elements that exists. For example, first you enter three elements such as 3, 5, 10. Then you gave 2, that is choice 2 is pop. So here 3 gets deleted. So again you are giving choice 3. Then there are only two elements 5 and 10. So this is how the program executes. Let execute this start program and see. So it is asking choices, push, pop, display, stop. I am giving choices 1. I am entering data, I am giving 10. Then it is asking, so again I am giving push to enter another data. So I am giving 20. You can give any data. Asking, so again inserting an element. I give here if you can give anything. Now I'm going to pop an element, that is delete an element. So I'm giving my choices 2. So let's see whether the element is deleted or not. See, your element is deleted. 25 is deleted. So I am, yeah, this is how the program displays the arrow mark is used to display the linked list, node of linked list. We have data address to another address and address finally null value. So I am ending this program. Yeah, how the program is executed. Thank you.